Hi, so today we are in a 2013 Ford Explorer with a 3.5 liter V6. The engine light is on for code P1450, which is unable to bleed up fuel tank vacuum, which is also known as excessive fuel tank vacuum. So we are going to replace it with a part number we're seeing right here. You can also get it from the dealer, but it's not necessary. You can get it from your local parts store. This is just an foam engine cover. It pulls up off of some clips manually by hand. You don't need to disconnect anything. Just pop them up. We've already popped them up previously, but you'll see underneath there are areas that are just connected in by pressure. All right, so we'll go to the engine. This is your purge valve solenoid right here. It is connected with two 8mm bolts here, a quick disconnect plug here, and then also right here can be removed with a screwdriver. So if you just stick a screwdriver here, this clip will pop off and you're able to disconnect it. This part will pull out on its own. Pop it out manually by hand and then just replace it with your new solenoid. Two 8mm bolts, hand tightened. Put your line back on, and then your connection will just clip in. Make sure you push to hear it clip. From there, reverse the process. You'll put on your cover and you're all set. Should take you 15 minutes. That is how to replace a purge valve solenoid on a 2013 Ford Explorer. Here is the old one. You can manually inspect it, but you won't really see anything wrong with it because the fault could be inside the mechanism. If this video was helpful, give a thumbs up and a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thank you very much.